When your Noritz Tankless water heater keeps shutting off, the problem is usually overheating or insufficient water flow. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to get your unit running properly. First, check the basics. Ensure your unit has power by checking the circuit breaker and verify that the gas supply is turned on. These simple checks solve many shutdown issues. Next, check for error codes on the control panel display. These codes provide valuable diagnostic information that can pinpoint the exact problem, potentially saving you time and repair costs. Low water flow is a common cause of shutdowns. Noritz heaters require at least 0.5 gallons per minute to operate. Clean the inlet filter to ensure adequate water flow reaches the unit. Overheating often occurs due to scale buildup from hard water. Descale your water heater annually, especially in hard water areas. Consider installing a water softener to prevent future scale accumulation. Proper airflow is crucial for safe combustion. Inspect air intake and exhaust vents for any obstructions like leaves, debris, or ice. Blocked vents can cause the unit to shut down as a safety measure. Regular maintenance is essential for efficient operation and preventing shutdowns. Annual professional servicing combined with these troubleshooting steps will keep your Noritz tankless water heater running reliably for years to come. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Noritz tankless water heater issues, advanced diagnostics using error codes become essential. These codes provide specific information about what's causing your unit to shut off. Error code 11 indicates ignition failure. This means your unit cannot start the burner, typically due to insufficient gas supply, blocked airflow, or debris on the ignition components. Error code 12 signals a weak flame condition. This occurs when the flame sensor detects insufficient flame strength, often caused by low gas pressure or airflow restrictions. Error code 90 indicates combustion abnormality, meaning the air-to-fuel mixture is incorrect. This serious error requires immediate attention as it can affect safety and efficiency. When error codes persist or indicate serious issues like combustion problems, professional diagnosis becomes necessary. Licensed contractors have specialized tools and expertise to safely inspect critical components. Professional technicians can inspect components that homeowners should not attempt to service themselves, including the gas manifold, flame sensor, and internal wiring connections. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance is the key to avoiding most shutdown issues and extending your water heater's lifespan significantly. Annual professional servicing should include descaling to remove mineral buildup, cleaning air intake and exhaust vents, and testing all safety systems to ensure proper operation. The maintenance schedule should include annual professional descaling, quarterly filter cleaning, and monthly visual inspections of venting and connections. The future of tankless water heater technology includes smart diagnostic systems that can predict problems before they cause shutdowns and enable remote monitoring by service technicians. Smart technology integration will revolutionize water heater maintenance through predictive analytics, automatic error reporting, and integration with home automation systems for optimal performance. By understanding error codes, scheduling regular maintenance, and staying informed about technological advances, you can ensure your Noritz tankless water heater operates reliably for years to come.